Hello guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. Quickly, I want to talk about this particular couple, one of the see so wetin happen to them, and it happened for Edo State. One of their daughter follow one of their neighbor go river, and wetin police dey do to these people is so alarming and unacceptable. Nobody fit accept this kind of thing. Make una you listen to this part of this video, the way the woman dey talk, poor woman wey she dey talk, and the husband.
Yeah, I agree the general public. Now me, Obasuyi, the father to the missing child, the only daughter I have, Victory Obasuyi. On Monday, I was in my house when I heard my wife asking Mama Jennifer, my neighbor, and my backyard, Mrs. Asemota, that where is my daughter Victory and her daughter that they used to play together. She told my wife that my daughter had followed her visitor that came from all the way from Aduwawa to come and visit him, and her two daughters to Ikboba to go and visit her friend. My wife was trying to quarrel with her, and I told my wife to leave her. Maybe she did not know when they left. Not quite 30 minutes. My last born, great.
Look at
my
the
last
great
born,
here.
my last born, overhead them.
That is the great. Last one.
My last born, over this the immediate younger brother to the missing girl. Then he ran to the house and said that, Daddy, I heard them saying in Mama Jennifer's parlor that Victory is inside the river. I and the mother and other people will quickly shout and rush to the river. Before we got to the river, nobody was shouting on the road. Nobody even said anything that somebody fell in the river. Then we got to the river. We did not even see anybody in the river. All I know that the people my daughter followed to river was that woman that came to visit my neighbor at the backyard. And they never came back with my daughter. How they do my daughter now, I don't know. Where they keep my daughter now, I don't know. 11 years old girl. Please, I am begging the general public and the AIG of police of Edo State to please to help me to find out what happened to my daughter. Because the police at the state CID at me, named Inspector Victor Edohe, is trying to jeopardize the case by threatening my life that he will turn the case against me and send me to prison. And my wife will bite her hand. He even took my phone and knocked it on the ground. So I want the general public and everybody in the world to intervene into this matter.
If I might pick you, people will go fear me, help me. Because now my neighbor, I could carry picking. If friend will say come for Boba, I could carry.
That is the mother of the missing child.
That is the picking now. I don't see picking. I don't know where they put picking. They don't job or don't go river. They don't divers don't enter river. They don't check river. They check everywhere. They say picking on day. May they go ask the woman and the gang where they carry my picking go river. May they go ask them where they put picking. May they go ask them. May they me ask them. Because we go station. As we reach station, police say they the station they help you. He said maybe we come outside. He said won't beat my husband. He won't put my husband for sale. He said my we go jail my husband. He said go beat my husband. He said me wait they me. He said me never see case. He said me never see case. He said me go back my hand for this case. He said me never see anything. He won't pursue me come outside. The people will commit the crime. The women will commit the crime. Both your husband or the woman, all of them consider for inside office. They give them chairman they sit down. They buy ever water. They buy car water. They give them that they drink. Me will get picking when not see picking. The
government should come to the rescue.
The should be come outside. It doesn't come outside. It doesn't people come outside.
The problem we are facing here, this happened in Ogiso. A missing child of 11 years old named Victory Obasuyi. That is the father, that is the mother. That is the first child in the back of his father.
by smart. The abuse
Some more than a police not going to
since that time, they never go investigate.
Ever since the incident, no intervene by the police.
May they help me. May they help me ask them. May they put my picking. They die for sorry fam. Help me people where they live. Where you gonna check the river? They say may they ask them. May they ask them where they put picking. They say picking no they deliver. May they help me ask them. I they beg government. I they beg government. May they help me. May they help me. May they help me ask them where they put my picking. May they be my
The only daughter?
because the woman tell me, the woman when my neighbor tell me, he said my pikin not die. He said at this station where they arrest them, so then my pikin want to come out. He said when they not arrest them, he said my pikin for don't come out. That means they get waiting them, may they keep the pikin. May they government help me. May they help me. I don't get money.
My people, now the video be that of this innocent woman where they look for her own pikin. First, now here waiting with the woman, the man where they say waiting police tell them. Not take time, they go turn the case against them. Now wow. Una see waiting Niger police they do. Person come report give them because they dey on uniform, they be police of the authority. Person instead of them to comfort the family, say the family make them not worry, they go try their best to check to find the small girl wey miss. See wetin police they tell them. See how the police they put more fire, say if they not take time, they go turn this case against them. Una see wetin our Naija police, because they dey duty, their duty na to help the citizen. Any problem wey they get, so that they will see help them solve the something. See wetin police wey dey on uniform, see wetin they take these two poor woman, this poor people, say whether they want make they turn the case against them. And these people wey do this thing, they even dey police for there. They sit down jejeje, they even dey drink ever water. Like seriously, my people, person bring case, okay, see the suspect, una give them share, make they take sit down, make they take balance themselves. They can't even give them ever water, make them they drink. My people, now they say that family, now they say them with the police, they don't forget something in common before. Because person wey come report, instead of them to treat that person, say okay, they'll calm the person down, so okay, may that person no worry, so they go try their best. Now the other way around, the people when they've my God, una see the way police say even carry those people where these people they complain, say they carry those people, they sit down, they give them ever water, maybe they even they drink, so maybe they cool their mind down. Una see, now me say all those people and the police, they get something in common, my people. If not, my people, Niger police, they know they do something for free at all. Now they go even talk say police is your friend, but when you get case, you go there, go report. The way they treat you, sometimes that person go even regret why he or she even go there, go report. If not, my people, just imagine, see how these two people now, they complain, say see wetin happen. Instead of the police to say okay, make the woman not worry, they say they go even change the case. Make una see how our Naija police, because Naija police, if you not get money, you no be their friend at all. When they use the talk say police is your friend, police is your friend. Naija police, they no be person friend at all. They be friends to all those people wey get name, wey all those people wey dey in power, wey they rich, wey they get money. Naija police, they no even get any human being feeling at all. They no get human sympathy at all. Person come report to them, say see wetin dey happen. They can't even give all those people seats, make they sit down jejeje like say they be president of the state. Naija police, if you no get money at all, you no be their friend. My people, this one is so wickedness. This one na real wickedness. Well, guys, I need to go. Leave your comment in the comment section down below. See you guys on my next video. Bye bye. Ciao ciao.